Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of British Pound Japanese Yen GBP JPY. If you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of GBP JPY British Pound Japanese Yen, and as you can see on the screen, I am under 4 hours time frame. Okay, and if we just look at the chart, we can easily tell that market is in uptrend. Okay, and if you recognize these lines from my previous video, then you know what I'm going to say. Anyways, as we know it pretty well that market is in uptrend. Okay, therefore we will only be looking for buying opportunities because we need to stay with the trend. As I always say, do not compromise with the trend. Okay, if you are a beginner, you are learning, okay, then you should always stay with the trend. Do not go for any trade that goes against trend. Okay, so considering the trend, you should only be looking for buying opportunity. Okay, and as I always say, before executing any order, always look for the area of value. In an uptrend market, the area of value, the best trading opportunity or the golden spot will always be near the support level. So in this case, we can easily see that 50 moving average is more or less acting as a support or was acting as support. Okay, because see, right now market is trading below the 50 MA still. Okay, this was acting as a support. Okay, but right now this is not the ideal position to buy. Okay, though it is almost trading at the support, but still it is not the ideal position to buy because if I zoom in and show you this chart, okay, we can easily see that market is in a tight range. Okay, though market is in uptrend, overall trend is towards the upside undoubtedly, but right now market is in a range. Therefore this is not the area of value anymore. Okay, because if you go ahead and buy right here, okay, if you go ahead and buy right here, then your stop loss will be here. Okay, because this is the low market form. Okay, and this will be your take profit target. Your risk to reward ratio does not match. Okay, and if you go for a shorting order, or if you go for if you short the market here, okay, then you will be going against the discipline, you will be going against the trend. Therefore this is not the position to go for any order. Okay, as the market is in a range right now, things have changed. Try to understand the chart here. Market is in uptrend, still market is in a range right now. Overall trend is towards the upside, no doubt about it, but right now market is in a range. Therefore what do we need to do then? So the first and the best trading opportunity here is wait for the market to cross this level. Okay, this level 154.86. wait for the market to cross this particular level. Okay, when market will cross this level, you need to wait for 4 to 6 hours, or at least wait for 4 hours, and just try to read the chart, just try to observe the market psychology. If you see that price is trading comfortably above this level, 154.86 level, price is not struggling, then you'll get a confirmation that yes, market has at last broke the range and market is about to go up again. Okay, you'll get a confirmation that the resistance has become the support. Okay, and as the resistance will become the support here, then you'll find the area of value, the true area of value, the real area of value here in this chart, and you can go for a buy above this level. Okay, for that you'll have to wait for the market to cross this level, 154.86 level. This is the first and the best trading opportunity, okay, in this chart. And the second trading opportunity is, as the market is in a range right now, okay, if you find market around this particular support level, 153.12, okay, because on one instance market took support at this level. So if market comes down, okay, if market comes down and you see that market has taken support at this level and bounced back, you can go for a buy order. Do not expect much, but you can go for a quick profit. Okay, you can go for quick profit, you can make around 20 pips, 30 pips. Okay. because market is in a range, so do not expect a big move. Okay, but still you can make some money if you see that market has taken support at this particular level and bounce back. Okay, so this is your second trading opportunity and a small one. Okay, but in this chart, wait for the market to cross this level, 154.86 level. Then only we'll get a confirmation that yes, the old uptrend is back again. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities in GBP JPY chart. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Take care.